Hey y'all, it's the worst YouTube cook in America, and for this video I'll be showing y'all how I fry some chicken. So the first thing is that I'm using chicken breasts, and I slice them in half, and I put them in the brine. The brine has some water, about a quarter cup of sugar, 4 cups of water, a quarter cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of salt, and then I put in some spices. So I put in some cayenne pepper, some black pepper, some fresh rosemary stems, and some Cajun seasoning. So when you do your brine, all you have to do really is just put in whatever aromatic spices and stuff that you want in it. And then you could leave it for like 30 minutes to a few hours, and then you can cook it. So here's the brine. I already poured some out, and I'm about to pour the rest out right now and show y'all the next step. So now for the next step, we're gonna pat this dry, pat your chicken dry. And this is for any kind of fried chicken, any cut of the meat, whatever. Go ahead and pat it dry. Because I use some dried rosemary and stuff, like this, like if you have like stuff inside of your brine, of course you don't want to accidentally chew through the stems and all of that good stuff. Definitely make sure to take it out. Alright, so now that we have our chicken dry here, we're gonna season it, and you can season it with whatever you want to season it with. I'm gonna hit mine with some Maggi. I'm gonna hit it with some cayenne pepper. I'm gonna hit it with some Cajun seasoning. I'm gonna do some turmeric, because the girls love some turmeric. I'm gonna do some salt, some Himalayan pink sea salt. This is my actual favorite complete seasoning, other than Maggi. I love this 21 seasoning from Trader Joe's. I'm going to hit it with some garlic pepper, and I'm going to do just a little bit more salt, just a little bit. And then we're here. And then we're just gonna crack some black pepper. And then do just a little smoked paprika. It ain't that serious. Boom. And then we just gonna get it together just like that. Mash up the place. You can do this with gloves or without gloves. I'm just using gloves because I don't really like to touch raw meat with my bare hands. I don't like the feeling. You can get busy with your bare hands if you so choose and please. So boom. So this is how this is looking. Make sure this is all in. So I know people marinate chicken for a long time. It's not that serious. We already did a brine. But my unpopular opinion about marination is that I actually don't think things really need to be marinated that long. I think that the better quality meat you have, the less hoopla you gotta do. So when you have like poor pieces of meat and chicken, it's just given like you gotta marinate it for a second. But the better the meat is, the less you gotta do with it. So right now I'm gonna show y'all how I do the dry seasoning. So we're gonna do a cup of unbleached white all-purpose flour. I just put that in 3 times because it's a 1/3 cup, not a full cup. And then I'm gonna do some spelt flour. We're gonna do, gonna do like a 1/3 cup on that. And then we're gonna go in with some cornstarch. And this is giving me tablespoon. That's 1 tablespoon. And let's do 2 tablespoons. And we're gonna, I'm gonna mix that in. So this is our flour. So I want to put more cornstarch. I don't know. Should I do more? I don't know. We have the spelt flour in there, so it should be good. It should be giving crunch. And then what we're gonna do is that we're just gonna go in with some seasoning. So this is some red pepper. And then we're gonna go in with some Maggi. I'm gonna mess around and forget to put salt. Let me put some salt. I don't know. I can't really see it dripping in there, so. And then I'm gonna do some smoked paprika. And some Cajun seasoning. And I'm gonna mix that up. And then you could just go ahead and taste it to see if that tastes like something you want to eat. You could just go in it with your just with your fingers or whatever. I'm just get a little bit. I'm not gonna eat all this, just tasting it. That's good. Not gonna hold you. That's good. Just gonna put a little sprinkle more and then just a little more salt. And then that should be good. All right. So here we are for our wet batter. And for the wet batter, you want a good texture. So what we're gonna do is a little bit of spelt. And then we're gonna put in our all-purpose white flour. That dripping sound is next level. Right, 1/3, 2/3. I don't know, I want to keep it right there. I'm gonna hit this with some cornstarch, 1 tablespoon. We're gonna do some salt, not a lot. Some Cajun seasoning. A little bit of Maggi. I should have put this through a strainer, to be honest. And our 21 complete seasoning from Trader Joe's. Right, and then we're just gonna hit that together. And then we're gonna hit this with some beer. This is what I'm using today. Thing with the wet batter is that you just want the perfect texture, to be honest. I think the consistency that you probably at least I be going for, is like pancakey. You know, not too watery. You want it to be able to hold a little something. That was some all-purpose flour that I just hit it with. Just go ahead and taste that. Yep. That's good. So this is our fried chicken train. So we're gonna get it from the chicken to the batter to the flour. I might do double, not sure. And then into the oil. Now, I feel like y'all really won't be able to see me do it a little bit. Or maybe you will. I don't know. So we're just gonna take our chicken, boom, bada ba. It's giving color. We're gonna put it into this wet batter. And then we're gonna put it into the flour, but I'm gonna use a different hand for the flour though. And I'm just gonna coat it. Hopefully y'all can see that. Hopefully y'all can see that. And then I press it in, like I literally press the flour into the chicken. And then that's what you get. You think I should double coat it?
No.
Nah? All right, don't look at it like.
I know my mom. Too much flour.
Too much flour, okay. So the queen said 1 coat. You're going to take another one of these into the wet station. All right. And then we're going to take that, put it into the dry station. Okay. Gonna take some flour, coat it or whatever. Get busy with them. You should high key. I feel like I didn't let this drip enough, to be honest. I didn't let this chicken drip enough. Oh man, flip. I carried the camera over, so now I did it with one hand instead of two. Sheesh. All in the name of YouTube. Shake that off. And into our YouTube pot. There you have it. So this is 7 minutes in. And I'm gonna just do 3 more minutes. All right, so here we are. All together, this was in here for 10 minutes. I should have turned the fire down before I tried to take this out. So this is what we're looking at, 10 minutes altogether. Gonna do the next batch right now, y'all. So this is what it's looking like. This is the final result. So we're gonna go over here. I'm gonna grab this chicken, put it right here. We got our fake YouTube plate going on. And I'm gonna taste test it. All right, so this is what the plate is giving, and I'm not gonna hold you. I'm gonna just like pull it up. I'm gonna just take a bite out of it. Mmm. 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 Oh. Oh. Oh, girls. Mmm. Wow. Mmm. Mmm.
I didn't know what type of hot sauce you like. What type of hot sauce you like?
My favorite hot sauce is Red Devil.
Oh, my mom said that's not nothing but vinegar and salt. Just up your hot green.
What's Tabasco? Tabasco tastes like doodoo.
Really? I like Tabasco.
Tabasco tastes
And
like
I think that
doodoo.
Red Devil is not even hot.
None of them bottled hot sauces is hot.
I think Texas Sweet is probably the hottest one. And this is the other one, the Spanish. This pepper, they're not really hot. You like Red Devil?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'm tasting way tea fried chicken. It's mad flavorful. It's mad moist. I'm giving flavor, it's giving moist. I'm giving crunch. I'm giving fried chicken. The breading is really good. The crunch is not too crunchy. There's a little spice. Like you don't even need hot sauce.
Yeah.
You don't even need the hot sauce because it's already spicy. And the chicken is really moist. It's mad moist. 10 would recommend.
Me too. That's what I said.